The location of this apartment is at 331 East 92nd Street, New York 10128. This area is near the 2nd Avenue subway and allowing us to immerse ourselves in the opulent allure of New York City's esteemed 5th Avenue, starting at the prestigious Ritz-Carlton Hotel and concluding amidst the iconic surrounding of Rockefeller Center. This client is a bachelor who loves to have his friends over for some small dinner gathering. He also enjoys the city lifestyle, hence this location is chosen. The studio is purchased with an area of 26 square meter or 280 square feet. The requirements are to have as many storages as possible, and yet it looks very minimalistic and neat. This is the existing floor plan, and these are the existing photos. These are aesthetically nice, but to design an interior, it must fit the user's lifestyles and tastes. The storages too are lacking, and the designs are very old style and not sleek. So I demolished everything. After looking at the demolished plan, we can see the elongated wall as the opportunity for storages. With that, this is the design of the floor plan. The main idea of this design is to maximize function as much as possible and to hide the bed as it is only needed during sleeping time. Dining area being the heart of the interior of a home, I've maximized the space for kitchen dining and for dinner gathering with friends. I have designed the kitchen dining based on Michelin star bar, where the kitchen and the dining is separated by the high counter similar to a bar counter. And if you kindly watch till the end, there is a special function in the living area which creates more functions in a very limited space. So now let us go inside and enjoy the designs. This project is introducing black into the interior. The client is a bachelor who loves exquisite and sleek design. Some of my other clients are afraid of color black. However, if treated with a balance of light materials such as white and bright beige wood to add the warm feeling, it will enhance the exquisite class of the interior. I've added many storages but with a slight reflective glass door. This is to increase the space slightly in a psychological manner. The vertical lines wood fins is creating a psychological effect of increased height. The dining chairs that I've chosen are transparent clear glass so that the chairs are invisible to the eyes within a small space. And the LED strip lights on the ceiling and under the cabinets is providing a pulling factor as a walkway direction for the user in the space. So here is the living, dining and sleeping area combined. This design is inspired by the multiple slices of bread that can be compacted vertically into one box. To create the impossible function in a limited space, we have to be able to gather all the thoughts and squeeze them into a box. The way to the toilet is divided by a hidden door that is covered with vertical wood fins. These two will provide a sleek and holistic approach as one interior that has a relatable style to all areas. In the toilet, I've used a very bright and large white Volacas marble wall tiles and a slight grey concrete-like floor tiles. These tiles are large to reduce the amount of grouting lines. These lines decrease the space psychologically. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this design will inspire you even only for a little. In this era where space for living can be expensive, feel free to subscribe so you can have unlimited ideas on how to design a small but spacious interior for your home.